How to be a flirt over 40, part 4. Now the R in flirt is to receive and really let people earn you. And what I mean by that is if you're a caretaker, you're an overgiver, you're somebody that is always worried about other people and not enough of you, this is crucial. You have to learn how to set boundaries, express your needs, and slow down so that someone actually gives to you as much as you give to them. So I have this client, Laura, and she was a powerhouse, very independent. She was a big CEO of her company, a busy mom. So she was so used to doing everything on her own. And because of that, she would go out there and date. And it was like she was dating in the boardroom. Like she was doing everything for the guys. She wasn't able to receive. And honestly, all the people that were attracted to her were guys who were takers. And then she would get really upset because they weren't the kind of relationship she was looking for. She wanted reciprocity, but she didn't know how to receive. And so we started coaching together, and the first thing that we did was obviously go into the field because I had to see what was going on in real time, in real life. So we're in Vegas, we're at a bar, and before I could even say hello to anybody, she darts to the bar and she throws out her credit card and she's like, "Kimmy, what are you having?" And I'm like, "What are you doing?" And she's like, "Well, I'm ordering us a drink." And I said, "No, you're not. Put that credit card away." And she's like, "Well, how are we supposed to get a drink?" And I said, "A man is going to order us a drink." So she puts the credit card away and we start from scratch. We walk through the door again and we see 2 openings at the bar and we sit down and we started talking to men. And within 5 minutes, guess what? A man bought us a drink. And she looks at me and she says, "Kimmy, how did you do that?" I said, "I didn't do that." I said, "This will happen all the time, but you are not allowing for that to happen." And she realized the importance of just slowing down, settling into a place, having a conversation, and making an emotional connection with someone. And from that point on, she really went out on dates into the world, slowing down and understanding what it took to receive. She allowed guys to open doors for her. She allowed a guy to plan a date. Actually, she was finally able to receive, and she met a fantastic guy who was not a taker. He was a giver in all the ways. It's time for dating to finally be fun and easy. And if you want to know more secrets, go to flirtover40.com.